Like, what are some ways that you can stand out here in 2022? Is YouTube still viable? Are you going to actually reach people on TikTok? Does a podcast make sense? Like, what are some ways that we can actually stand out in that busy market?
Right. So let me preface this by saying two things. One, obviously I was a crappy realtor. So most of the things I talk about are things that I've done really well. So, I give my opinion on them. But that being said, I tell this, we have over 150 realtors at my brokerage. And so when I talk about this stuff, I mean, now I've learned 10 years later since, sucking as a realtor of what works with sales and marketing yourself. And at the end of the day, that's really what this is. Whether I'm trying to get somebody to, sign up with Future Flipper versus some other real estate education program, or I'm getting somebody to invest with, Pineda Capital versus some other fund that they could potentially invest in, it's all the same thing, right? You're always competing against somebody else for a product or a service. And so the reason people buy our products and services is because of the content we put out, right? Because I put out so much content on a daily basis, they feel like they know me so much better than they may know somebody else. Also, I get a chance to show off what I do know, and I can give them a lot of value before they ever pay me a dime, right? And so by the time that they ever come to us and they're ready to, like in this case, let's just say sell their home or buy a home, they've been watching it for a year, right? And they're like, dude, Ryan's so consistent. He don't miss a beat. He's given me so much value this last year. I know when I'm ready to buy or sell a home, I'm going to go to him, which they're not going to go to me because I'm not a realtor, but you guys get the point. So if you're a realtor, you got to really start selling yourself before they ever want to buy and sell, right? Because most people, they don't even tell people they're a realtor. They just kind of like, yeah, I'm licensed. You should have known that. It's like, no, dude, I only know who's in front of me every day I'm on social media. Right? That's who I know as a realtor, because they're out there showing it and they're out there committed to their craft and letting people know and giving people value. And those are the people that kill it. I mean, you cannot be kind of like the old days where, you're low key and, you do your thing without people knowing like that. Those days are over. You have to be the biggest like cheerleader of your own success and let people know what you're doing. And it's not in like a braggadocious way. It's literally just the only way that you're going to stand out in the marketplace.
Thanks for watching Mark Savant Media. Here we're going to help you create a better content in less time and turn that attention into income. If you love this video, you're going to love these videos here. Click the one. Me and my team specially selected this just for you. Click the link. Check out the video. I'll catch you here next time on Mark Savant Media.